Good morning, guys. I hope you slept well. Let's start with our morning routine. We're gonna first with goat. We're gonna mark our key areas. Let's try. Let's start with the Asian highs and lows. So high when this happened. The 12. This is the low. Low. Beautiful. Let's go on the daily candle. Day up, up, up. This is fourth day in a row. We're just going higher and higher. Up. Daily low. This is how we look on the daily basis. There's liquidity here, which I'm gonna like this. Sweep. Good targets here. Let me see how it looks. Just a sec. Right, I'm back. Hello, somebody came in. So yeah, we're almost prepared. We have the previous day highs and lows, Asian high and low, weekly high and low. Do we have the weekly actually? No. Let's mark them as well. Oh, we have previous weekly low, yeah. Previous weekly high somewhere here. I'll put it in. Up. Previous weekly high. Now the structure, it doesn't look very bullish. This candle, daily candle. On VWAP, we're going just below. There is this fair value gap here on 5 minutes. Let's see what's gonna happen when we take those lows. Okay. This is as far as gold goes. Let's move to the next one. Wow. Big drop. Mic drop. So we start with the lows here. That's the highs here. I can see how Nasdaq is in range for quite some time after this big drop yesterday. It's been in range. We need to be careful with this one. Ranging market are not the best conditions. Remember this. Nasdaq. 1 minute. We need to get out of this bubble. Right here. We have the weekly. So on the weekly candle, we can see we swept the previous weekly high, and there was a big reaction going down. While with gold is the opposite. We're trending up. It's a tough 1 hour push for gold. Let me turn off the view up. Nope. Yeah, gold took this liquidity we were talking about. We'll see how it's gonna react from here. Oop. No, we're not gonna trade from C-Trader today. We're gonna use Top Step. Just a couple of minutes till the market open. Last seconds. There we go. This is our first candles. The market open. Let's check for SMT. The big boys have this high here. This is the same high. We need to keep eye on those highs here, guys. Our candle pushing up. Candle. Yeah, as we see that the last 2 hours, I would say our bias is bearish. I like the Asian lows and those lows here as well. Like a good liquidity. On Nasdaq, we go for the Asian highs, it seems. Oh, okay. We grab those highs. We can see S&P haven't got those highs. So this is bearish SMT. I don't think the conditions on Nasdaq are good today. So for now, I'm not touching Nasdaq for the moment. Now we collect those lows on gold. We didn't have very strong reaction. So sell opportunities are still in game. This is the fourth candle. Okay, everything is ready. I don't want to see gold going above, to be honest. This is the last candle. Good morning. Yeah, we break above on Nasdaq. And we break the SMT here. We have another one here. Yeah, this one is swept as well. Gold is breaking below, so this is what I'm interested in. Yeah, I'm gonna enter on gold now. Yeah, I'm in on gold. Actually, I'm gonna do it on the other window. A window. Yeah, it looks like this. Doesn't look very bright. Good morning. This is the exact entry here. I think we have better potential even than 1R, so uh, we're gonna watch it closely. How it goes. There's a lot of buying pressure now, which I don't like at all. Yeah, this is a strong candle. Let's see. Doesn't look very bright, really. Nasdaq came back to the orb. Gold is back into the orb. The volume profile is with us as well because we break out from this zone of interest. So we shouldn't go back inside. But we are very close. We're very close. It's the same here. This will take us out. And by the look of it, Nasdaq is failing as well. And this will work us out. We're very close. They're both very close to fail. We need a comeback here. We need strong comeback. because it closed above. Oh, or it haven't. Oh, this is the fifth. No, my mistake. We don't have a breakout there. We don't have a breakout. Good point, Sonny. Thank you. I don't know what I was thinking before that I'm gonna watch the 5 minutes. That's why I was watching on 3 candles. No, we don't want to see that. No, no, you're totally right. Yeah. Somebody's watching closely. Good job. We're still inside the range. But we're very close to be wicked out from gold. Come on. Okay. We're almost back to the price. Whoa, whoa, this wick. I think this wick just killed our hopes. We were so close. Where we are on the view up. Yeah, we're just below. Now, shorts, I think in general, good idea. The move starts from here. We have order block. We have fair value gap on 5 minutes. We have volume. The interest of volume is just below us. Or break above. We're under the 50%. So a lot of ticks here. A lot of good ticks. The only thing it's against us is the daily candle that we started strong in the morning. We're not too far away from the opening price and we can turn this candle around. Okay, we're back on it. Not bad, not bad. Nasdaq is breaking below. This is something I like. We took liquidity from here. Let's see the next 1 minute candle. Yeah, let's watch this 1 minute candle now. Gold is moving good. Gold start moving actually. Right, on Nasdaq, we're gonna wait for another candle. Yeah, we're pushing. We couldn't make a change of character here. So if we had candle close below, this will be a good sign. Let me check 0.5. Up. This is break-even zone. We're almost there. Let's go back to gold. No, gold just decided to turn around again. Okay, good candle. Great push. I can feel the next candle will be good for us. Okay, Nasdaq is down again. We need candle close below those lows here. I want to see candle close below them, not just wick them out. Yeah, we can go break even on gold. And break even on gold. And it hit us. Yeah. Hit. But at least now we are running minus, so let's see how it's gonna play out. Okay, we're interested in Nasdaq now. Especially if it closed like this. We're going hard. Yeah. Yeah, I mean on gold. On Nasdaq, sorry. Nasdaq. Let me see what happened with gold. Yeah, gold almost went to the... Yeah. If we didn't move to break even, so this is why it's important to do your back tests. Because in our back tests, we noticed that if you move to break even at 0.5, you actually save yourself couple minus R's. So it's in our favor if you do it rather than not doing it. This is backed by data. So basically, we would lose this trade if we keep holding it on. Yeah, we have break of character here. It doesn't look very bad as all. We are targeting Asian lows. We took the Asian highs. So it looks like a decent setup. And again 0.5. I'm gonna mark this area. I'm gonna add alert. Okay, this one is gone. We are break even on it. We know where we are on view up. Let's see what's going on 5 minutes then. Well, on 5 minutes we're gonna close above. Wow, what a push. What a push. Now, the 5 minute orb, it's almost the same as the 1 minute. So we even close on 5 minute. So we enter on both here. 1 minute and 5 minute breakout. Look at this candle. Mamma mia. Definitely a good decision. Would I enter on this? Not really. Because one, the candle it's 4 pips. If you compare it with the other 5 minute candles, we are very close to this fair value gap from where we already start the move. And we have auto block here, which is not ideal. So we're scrapping gold for this session. And we keep on looking at Nasdaq. After this 5 minute, we need to see a couple more black candles. Okay, we're plus now. Put this window for you guys. Now the orb. This is the last high. This is just a wick above the orb after the 5 minute count. so we don't count it. And we are exactly around the Asian lows for 1 hour. Yeah. If you have any questions, anything in chat, that would be great. So we can have some dialogue together. Right, no questions. I'll be back in a second then. Okay, I'm back on it. So I'm gonna stay 5-10 more minutes. But as one friend is saying, this trade can be set and forget. So we already enter. We have our stop loss. We have our take profit. Oh, this one start going crazy. What is this volume out of nowhere? So yeah, I'm gonna watch for the next 5 minutes. The only thing we can do is to go break even at some point. But you know, you can continue with your day, eat your breakfast, go to the gym or whatever. Again, it came back to the price. So this is why I have an alert here, and I'll receive it on my laptop, I'll receive it on my phone, and I'll know that I need to go break even. Otherwise, it's like this. Otherwise, you hit my TP or you hit my stop loss. Now it's going for my stop loss from what I'm seeing. Yeah, I'll leave this trade to run. If there are any questions, now is the moment. Before closing the stream. We didn't even get to the fair value gap here. So yeah, thank you guys being with me. See you next time. Ciao.